Hello my lovelies. In a previous video entitled Cough Sweets for Mr. T, I related a waking dream that I had, and I thought, I wonder what the Gematria is for the words cough sweets for Mr. T. So here are some. The last one is wonderful. The world is waking up. Baron William Trump. Rapture in the air now. The real order of events. What you see is a screen. April 21st, American War of Secession. I am the Constitution. 11/27, which in the UK would probably be 27th of November. Washington everywhere else. Washington Commanders. The Servant of the Lord. Victory of the People. Light body activations, and this is the best one. They are in panic. I'm back, baby. Cue.